Hey, what's up, guys? Uh, it's November 18th, opening day gun season here in Wisconsin. I'm embarrassed to say, but I slept in today. I slept in this morning. I did not get out here at the crack of dawn. Uh, it's like 7:45 right now, so I'm a little late. But I'm gonna make my way out to my stand as quiet as possible. I got about a little less than 10-minute walk to get out there. But I'm gonna try to get out there, stay out there, get quiet, stay out there, get out there, be quiet. Be quiet, get out there to the stand. Anyhow, I'm late. I should have been here earlier, but I'm not. So I'm gonna get out here, get up at the stand. Hopefully we can get a big buck today. All right, we'll see you out there. Wow. I was sitting there staring at my phone. All of a sudden, a big buck come crashing through this tree line right here. He almost got to the trail, and all of a sudden he hit something, a scent or something, because he almost hit that trail and took a instant hard right back the other way. Dang it. He probably smelled me because the wind's blowing that direction. Damn, he was a nice buck. He had a big rack on him. Wow. Oh man, that was close. First deer I've seen today. Oh, that was a big deer. Oh, that was a big deer. Dang it, he come right down. He got right to that tree line. I was just getting ready to draw on him. He almost got right to the trail right there and instantly turned right back around and headed for the thing. So he's definitely spooked. He was running from something. And I'm sure he probably smelled me because the wind is blowing that way right there. Oh man, that was a big deer. Meh. That's a little doe. Just a baby. Well, it's about it's 1:19 Saturday afternoon. I just came down out of the stand. I saw the one buck this morning he came in hot. I had no chance to get a shot on him. Then I saw the doe. Not really looking for a doe yet. If I shoot a doe or something like that, it's gonna be end of the season type deal. Nice track right there. I actually just took one of my cameras down all the way in the back. I'm gonna move my camera back up to the front. I haven't been getting much action back there on my camera at all, so I'm gonna move it back up here to the front. And I haven't been sitting up here lately. I've been sitting in the middle stand, but it's been pretty freaking slow. So yeah, I'm going to put the camera back in the front stand. I'm gonna go grab something to eat right now, and head into town here and come back out for the night hunt, or I don't know what you call it, night hunt, for the late afternoon hunt. I'm gonna sit in my other stand here up here by the front of the property. So yeah, pretty slow morning actually. It's pretty nice out though. Feels like it's about 55 degrees here in southern Wisconsin. So I mean, there are fresh deer tracks. So a couple of them did move through here. But I haven't heard many gunshots at all this morning. Even though I am still using my bow. I just don't feel I need a gun where I'm hunting right here. I have a close enough shot I can shoot anything that comes my way, so there's my stand up ahead right there. That's what I'm gonna sit in tonight. Hopefully I can get some deer to funnel up through here. I know there's a lot of activity here because you can see the leaves, and there's a bunch of scrapes all through there where you can see the leaves are pushed away. So I know there's been a lot of activity. And I had my camera on this tree here during the summer. I'm gonna put it back on here right now, just to see what has been going on. Nothing against this company, Spy Point, but not real happy with this camera, because all my pictures, I don't get them in real time. And I'm actually paying for the service. I'm not doing the free thing right now. I'm paying for the service, and when I do get a photo or photos, I get them like 3 to 4 hours later than after they're actually taken.
So I really don't like that. So I'm gonna be switching next season. I'm gonna get a different camera. Some other people I know, guys I work with, went with some different cameras and they get their photos in real time. Yeah, I know this is a cheaper camera too, so don't get me wrong. I know what I got here. I know it's not top of the line, but when you pay for a service, you would at least expect to get photos in real time. You would think, but I don't know. What do I know? So we're gonna run the camera here, see how that looks. Straight here, and then they funnel off of that area. Maybe a little bit to the right. Yeah, I think like that. I think that'll do it. We'll try that. All right. Let's turn this back on. I mean, it's not a bad camera. It's very durable. I've had it out here for like over a year. I never take it in, but just not real happy with the quality pictures. And like I said, the timing of the photos that I get, they're like 3, 4, sometimes it'll be postmarked on there. The picture was taken at 11, and I'll get it at like 5 or 6 o'clock that night. So anyhow, we'll go with this the rest of the season, and I'll get something different for next year. Something that shoots a little better quality camera. But this is where we're gonna sit this afternoon. See how that goes. All right, I'm gonna go grab something to eat. We'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Little recap from the morning. Saw one nice buck come charging in. Didn't get close enough for me to get a shot at. I didn't even have my camera on. That's how fast he got in and out. So then I saw one little doe. Not looking for the doe. I've talked about that. Moved my trail cam up to the front so I can see what's going on around here at night and stuff. See what's been rubbing on the ground so much. But for the afternoon, I'm going to sit in the stand that's on the front half of the property. I got about a 1-minute walk to the stand, which is nice. So it's still beautiful out. It's November 18th, southern Wisconsin. Sun is shining, about 50 degrees. I'm gonna climb up my stand here and sit here till dark and see if we can have one walk by us. So let's see. Hopefully tonight's the night. All right, guys. It is absolutely perfect out right now. This is my favorite stand. I'm a bigger guy, so it's a double. Fits me a little better. Got the rattlers up here. Okay. So this is the view. Alright, I'm up in the stand. I just wanted to point out the wind is blowing perfect again tonight. It's blowing right into my face, coming out of the woods. So nothing should be able to smell me if they come walking out of the trees this way. But if they're coming from across the street where the beans in the corn are, maybe they'll catch me there. But man, I already see I'm already red. I'm getting a little sunburn already. Can't believe that. November 18th and I'm still getting sunburn. Sun and a little windburn, I guess. Doesn't take much for me. But anyhow, man, I'm just out here having fun. I love it. It's nice and quiet. Except for me, always talking into this thing. And the squirrels. Squirrels drive me nuts, man. If you're a hunter, you know exactly what I'm talking about with the squirrels. They are always rustling around. I mean, I'm always like looking over my shoulder, thinking it's a deer. No, it's just a little scrappy squirrel. Anyhow, the sun's gonna start heading down over that ridge right there, and hopefully the deer get real active again, and maybe the right one will come my way tonight. We'll see. We shall see. Alright, let's see what happens. .30. Sun's just getting ready to go down over the ridge there, so we got about an hour left, a little more than an hour, so the woods should start coming alive here pretty quick. It's been just gorgeous out today. It's been really nice out today, but the deer haven't been moving like I thought they would have been. I haven't really heard many people shooting today either. So, not like in years past. There used to be, man, it sounded like a frickin', I don't want to say like a war zone, but it sounded like a battle was going on in some parts of these woods. As many shots as some people were taking. Well, I know it was big groups of people pushing, driving deer, but it doesn't seem to be that many groups as there used to be driving deer anymore. So They are picking corn on the other side of the Turtle Creek over there. I just saw when I went into town for a little break. But there's a lot of woods around here. A lot of woods for deer to just hide out. But man, we have been so lucky with the weather. We're in the middle of November and it had to have gotten almost 50, 55 degrees today, so the sun is shining. Can't complain about that at all. Got about 10 minutes left, or 15 minutes left. distance over there picking corn. I thought that would have deer moving around a lot more tonight. Well, maybe they are moving around, they're just not over here. It was a long day in the woods today. Long day in the woods tonight. To only see 2 deer. Another night. Another night in the woods. Slow, slow, slow. Not very good for me today. So only saw 2 deer. Didn't see anything this afternoon. It was a beautiful day to sit though. Let me know if you guys got any shiny big bucks in the comments. Let me know what you guys got, because it was a rough day for me. It was a long day. But anyways, I enjoyed it. Look forward to it again tomorrow. I'll be back out again tomorrow. We'll be doing it again. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you haven't. We're going to be doing these, trying to put out a couple of videos a week, so follow along. I appreciate it. Thanks. See you guys on the next one.